everyone! By the way, I am Maya, a registered nurse working in PACU or Post Anesthetic Care Unit here in Saudi Arabia. So, I was vaccinated last March 8 at gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang naging experience ko. At gusto ko rin magbigay ng konting information about COVID vaccine. So, let's start. Bago pala tayo magsimula, let's talk about vaccine, how it work. Ano yung action niya sa ating katawan? So, dito makikilala natin ang ating white blood cells. Ang white blood cells is a part of our body's immune system. They help the body fight infection and other diseases. So, there's a lot of type of white blood cells. Pero hindi na natin siya isa-isahin na kasi masyado siyang mahaba. But one of these is the lymphocytes. Our B lymphocytes and our T lymphocytes. Or ito yung tinatawag nating T cells and B cells for short. Yung B cells, this is the defensive white blood cells. They produce the antibodies. And then the T cells, they attack the cells in the body that have already been infected. Or ito yung tinatawag nating memory cell. For an instance, a person is infected with virus or let's say, tinamaan ka ng COVID virus. Ito yung mga mararanasan mo. And then, it will take several days or weeks, even months for the body to make use all the fighting tools to protect your body from the virus. So, let's say, nakasurvive ka sa virus. And then, na-expose ka ulit to the same virus. Then, once the virus enter to your body again, madidetect agad ito ng ating T cells or ng ating memory cell. Since our memory cells may experience na siya paano i-handle ang virus na to, i-inform niya ngayon ng ating B cells. At ang B cells naman, agad siyang mapuproduce ng antibodies to attack the virus. So, that's how vaccine works. Now, let's proceed to COVID vaccine. So, the COVID vaccine or COVID-19 vaccine help our body to develop the immunity without getting all the illness na pinakita ko sa inyo. There's a different types of vaccines and have different actions at the same time. Magkakaiba yung paraan nila to offer protection to our body. But all the types of vaccine will leave T cell and B cell to our body that will remember how to fight the virus in the future. So that's it. Sana na-gets ninyo yung explanation ko kung ano yung action ng vaccine sa ating katawan. Ngayon naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga signs and symptoms or yung mga possible yung ma-experience after the vaccination. So, ito sila lahat. Ngayon, gusto ko siyang i-compare kung na-experience ko ba ito sila. At saka meron din ako mga friends, colleagues, doctors, nurses, na nag-share ng kanilang experience. So, nagpa-vaccine ako ng hapon, I think March 8. Yan, nagpa-vaccine ako afternoon around 2 plus. Kasi meron ako yung duty 3 p.m. until 12 midnight. So, pumunta lang ako ng maaga sa hospital para magpa-vaccine. And then, after that, on the day, wala akong na-feel na anything. Kinabukasan, nag-chills ako, medyo mabigat yung pakiramdam ko at sumakit yung katawan ko. Lahat ng muscles ko, buong katawan ko sumakit. And then, feeling ko, lalagnatin din ako. So, nag-take ako ng paracetamol, nag-take din ako ng pain reliever for body ache. And then, pagdating ko ng hospital, nag-check ako ng aking temperature, umabot ako ng 38.5. And then, I was planning sana na magpa-IV, magpa-reseta ng IV, paracetamol. Kasi nga, I'm so desperate kasi sobrang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko. Pero, sobrang na-busy kami. It's a toxic day. It's a toxic shift. So, medyo na-divert yung attention ko sa trabaho, na-divert yung attention ko sa patient. So, medyo nakalimutan ko siya. And, yung mga 10:30 na, malapit na matapos ang aming shift, nag-check ulit ako ng temperature ko, naging 37.5 na lang din siya. So, ininuman ko na lang siya ng paracetamol PO. or tablet. At pag-uwi ko ng bahay, nag-take ako ng Panadol night. And then, pagkagising ko kinabukasan, I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. Maliban dun sa injection site, medyo nagkaroon siya ng hematoma, kumati. Oh yeah, karoon ako ng itchiness. And then, may mga bukol-bukol siya around dun sa site, which is normal. That's normal, I think. And on my third day, the fourth day until now, I'm totally fine, alhamdulillah. Clear na rin yung skin ko, wala na rin siyang hematoma, wala na rin yung bukol. So, alhamdulillah, that's all my experience.
Hello, I am Dr. Muhammad Salim, ICU specialist in Hira Hospital. I have been working in this hospital since 18 years as ICU staff, ICU physician. I have taken vaccine, Pfizer, BioNTech from King Abdulaziz Jeddah Airport on 7th of January, first dose. And after first dose, I have mild body aches. There was no fever, there was no other symptoms, only no abdominal symptoms. After 21 days, I took second dose. There was some any more body aches, and there was no fever. You feel that the body is in a painful condition, but few symptoms for abdominal pain also I have noticed with the second dose. But all these symptoms in first dose and second dose, these were less than 24 hours, and it was relieved with paracetamol. No other, I did not use any other medication for this one. And alhamdulillah, I am fine, thanks God, and thanks to everybody who is advocating these vaccines. I'm thankful for the government of Saudi Arabia, the kingdom, that they have provided us this vaccination, and everybody should take these vaccines according to the availability. Okay, thank you.
I'm an ICU doctor. I took my vaccines since 2 months back, the 2 doses. It was from Pfizer company, Pfizer. It's simple and safe. You may complain or you may suffer from mild side effect, light myalgia and light headache. I'm advise all people, especially who are working in medical field, to take the vaccine without any hesitation, because they are exposed to viruses. So it's better to take so that you will be safe and your family will be safe. Thanks.
I am Manar Makkawi. I'm an ICU staff in Hira General Hospital. I took COVID-19 vaccination in the airport in Jeddah. I took Pfizer type. After I took the first dose of vaccination, I didn't have any side effect. So after 21 days of the first vaccination, I took the second dose, but I don't have any side effect also. So you take the vaccine and protect yourself.
I'm staff nurse in Ministry of Health, Saudi Arabia. I took COVID-19 vaccination on 6th of May. The type is AstraZeneca. I had mild symptoms like fever and body pain. Second dose will be on 27th of May. I advise everyone to take vaccine and be healthy.
Yes, my name is Dr. Irfan. I'm anesthesiologist in the MCH Makkah. I took vaccination last week. I felt cramps and low-grade fever and some dizziness also. But it is only just for 1 to 2 days, and after all symptoms are subsided. But after 5, 6, 7 days, I started muscle pains. I took some analgesia. But alhamdulillah, after all gone, no, I was okay. I think it's all vaccination having same kind of reactions. When you will get any vaccination, you will get some fever, some muscle pains. This is a normal reaction from your body. That's why don't afraid. you should take the vaccination and it is good for you.
Nag-take ako ng vaccine na AstraZeneca vaccine last March 8, 2021. Ito din sa namin, sa hospital namin, which is free dito sa KSA na one of the projects ng government ng KSA is to provide vaccine dito sa KSA. Mapa Saudi citizens man or expat, you are free to take the vaccine. During 24 hours ng vaccine, sobrang bigat ng katawan ko. Hindi ako masyadong makabangon sa kama. Tapos nag-fever din ako. Tapos after nun, tinikan ko siya ng paracetamol. Take din ako ng more fluids. Tapos after nun, nawala naman yung body pain. Tsaka yung fever. After 3 days, okay na lahat. Parang normal na ulit. Advice ko lang sa inyo guys na magpa-vaccine na kayo para sa sarili nyo, for your loved ones also. And vaccine is to protect naman yan hindi naman yan siya mag-harm. Saka kung i-weigh nyo yung harm kesa sa yung benefit niya, mas malaki pa rin yung benefit na makukuha natin sa vaccine. So, get vaccinated.
So, I am a staff nurse here in KSA. Last March 9, I took vaccine, which is AstraZeneca. And for the first 24 hours, I had experienced lightheadedness and low-grade fever. And afterwards, nothing. Alhamdulillah. So the only thing I could say or advise for those who still doesn't took their vaccine, take their vaccine. Don't be afraid. Have faith. Okay? And always nating tandaan, quote and quote, bago ma-feel yung mga reactions from the vaccine, na-feel na yan ng iba. Kaya, carry lang. Fight.
Hello. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I just want to share with you guys about my experience for my COVID vaccine. So, I received my first dose vaccine last March 6, 2021. This is COVID vaccine this is COVID vaccine, first dose. And it was a Pfizer. So what I felt for the first day was slightly pain on the site that I was vaccinated. And what I did was I prepared 1 gram of paracetamol. I took it and the pain was relieved. That was the first day. Then I took a lot of water and I took a rest. After that, for the second day, I felt there was slightly heavy here, so I took another 1 gram of paracetamol, and I did exercise. I did just flex like this, like that, then rest. Come on, and I took only fruits, more on vitamin C. In order for me to avoid any cold or whatever, that it made me comfortable. So that's it. For the second day, you will be okay. I'm okay. I just rest. 1 gram of paracetamol. I took a lot of water. Then I'm okay. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah, I am ready for my second dose. So you don't have to worry, guys. Just take your vaccine. This is very important for us for this time of pandemic. Thank you.
Kaya anong na-feel mo sa vaccine, tinake mo?
After 1 day, hindi pa na ako nagkalagnat. Alhamdulillah. Walang yung symptoms lang yung back pain lang, pati yun lang. Wala akong fever, alhamdulillah. Wala akong
Yung tinake mo, vaccine, AstraZeneca? Ha? AstraZeneca?
Oo. Tapos, kung ano ba yaon? Why symptoms halos? Back pain lang.
Okay.
Kasi nga, nagtitake ako ng yung vitamin C, pati paracetamol 1 gram. Ang advice ko para sa mga staff na magtitake ng vaccine, dapat kumain kayo muna ng breakfast before kayo magpunta sa center para magpa-vaccine. tas pagkain kayo ng prutas, kaya siguro ako walang fever, walang dizziness, walang vomiting, alhamdulillah.
First day, normal lang, walang reaction. But on the second day, a little bit febrile. After a dose of paracetamol, okay na.
Kailan ka naka-recover? Mga ilang days after?
Second day.
Okay na?
Okay.
Sa mga hindi pa nagtitake ng vaccine.
Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-vaccine, mag-vaccine na kayo. While nagbibigay pa sila ng libre. And it's for your own good.
So, ayun guys, mga naranasan namin is usually common side effect naman ng vaccine, which is fever, body pain, and muscle pain. So, huwag kayong matakot na magpa-vaccine. Ang COVID vaccine naman ay isa lang naman na sa mga paraan or way para maprotektahan natin ang sarili natin at saka yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Diba, May?
Yeah. At saka yung mga ni-mention niya before na mga side effect, yun yung yun lang yung palatandaan na nagkakaroon na ng formation ng immunity sa ating katawan. So, don't be afraid. And our government are trying their very best para magkaroon ng solusyon yung nararanasan nating pandemic ngayon. So, ang magagawa na lang din natin as mamamayan is to cooperate, participate, and be part of the solution. Anyway, it's for free. At saka ang vaccine naman is, na-test na ito siya sa maraming tao. Thousands of people yung nag-undergo ng vaccine bago pa ito na-distribute sa atin. Na-test na rin ito for the safety and effectiveness. So, hindi ito siya basta-basta lang. And na-aprobahan na rin siya ng FDA. So, don't be afraid. At saka kung hindi kayo ganun ka-confident sa vaccine, samahan niyo na rin ng prayers and for sure, everything will be fine. Inshallah.
Tama.
So, that's all. I hope this video will help you decide.
Like and share para na rin mas marami pa tayong ma-encourage na magpa-vaccine.
Yep. And if ever you have any suggestion, questions, violent reaction, hope not.
Comment.
Just comment below and we will try our best to reach back. Yun lang. Bye!